Alright, hey, what's up you guys? So today I wanted to make a video talking about making thumbnails. Thumbnails on your YouTube videos are so important. They are, in my personal opinion, the very first thing somebody sees, especially if it's really eye-catching and you have lots of graphics on there. That's what somebody sees. Obviously you don't want to make it too crazy, but they have to be eye-catching. So let's just jump right into it. So open up your web browser. I use Safari. And you're going to want to go to canva.com. I have it down here, obviously, frequently visited. So you're going to go right here to canva.com. Canva is free to use. They do have upgrades you can do. I'm not exactly sure how much they are, but the free version is perfect. So as you can see here, these are my thumbnails and things that I've done. My kind of end screen that I have. This is my watermark and my channel art. So if you go right up here, you can either type in whatever you're trying to design. You can just start from scratch, or you can choose from one of these. So you can make different posts for all kinds of things. Facebook covers, Facebook posts, blog banners, Instagram posts, Twitter posts, graphics, Tumblr, all kinds of crap, right? So you're gonna wanna scroll. I mean, you could type it in, but so if you're trying to do channel art, that would be right here. You don't have to go into YouTube and download their templates. This already has the correct dimensions. You just click it and get started. But for today, we are gonna head right over here to the YouTube thumbnail. All right, so let's see what we're going with here. So you can, of course, go ahead and, pick a template, kind of just add to whatever they have here. This next one is elements, so different shapes, images, little graphs and charts, and all these little graphics down here, whatever. All right, and then if you go over to photos, there are tons of free photos you can use. I always think that it's best if you go ahead and just take a picture when you're done filming a video. Take a picture of your face, at least have that somewhere on here. Maybe do half and half, like pick one of these, and then on the other half have a picture of you. It just helps to put a face with a name when somebody is scrolling through a bunch of different videos on YouTube. They can see who you are. But I do really like these different pictures they have. There's a bunch for free. There's a bunch that are $1. You just have to find which one you like. And more, see, these ones are not free, but I can show you a way to get some of these types of things for free. All right, next thing we have text, obviously. You can pick a little like template thing, just add a heading. Pretty simple, I think, hopefully. Backgrounds, you can choose from different backgrounds. Again, lots of free ones. If you get down to the bottom, some that are not free. But again, I can show you a way to download some free backgrounds just by searching for exactly what you want. Alrighty, now the uploads. So I already have obviously some from past videos. So you can see here I've done my own little emojis. God, what is that? Subscribe, play button, Instagram, Twitter, music notes, a little watercolor background going on here. So for today's, and this is gonna be basically, as you can see here, I've already created this thumbnail. I'm gonna go ahead and just recreate for y'all so you can see exactly what I did. So I already have some of my photos here. So let's see what we got. We got my little puppy. This is my, okay, what are you doing? My little guy, Scooter is his name. Why am I out of breath? God. So we're just gonna pop that on there like so. Just said so a lot. Then we're gonna take this photo. This is actually my YouTube picture, profile picture at the moment. I'm gonna throw this in here. Since this is a video all about making thumbnails, I just kind of threw together some different pictures that say you would possibly use. Next one here, this is again a photo that I, oh my god, that I took, oh my god, it's not working. This site is weird. If you do that, it's just going to take up the whole thing. And that's not what we want. Okay. We did it. We did it, team. We did it. Okay. So basically this part, you're just adding in a bunch of crap that you want to add in. And that's it. I'm going to go back to, let's see, the elements here. And I used this photo. So all I did when I found this, I typed in YouTube up here. It gave me some different images. I like this one. It's computer displaying YouTube thumbnails. So I thought that was appropriate. It's so hard to get these like just right. I mean, there probably is a template for this somewhere. Am I gonna use it? No. Am I just gonna make it harder on myself? Yes. All right, what's not lining up here? You aren't. All right, so there you go. So this is how I'm starting off my thumbnail. So I'm gonna go ahead and adjust these photos a little bit. You can just go ahead to filters and pick from all of these filters. You can click adjust and do this however you choose. One thing that you will probably want to do is take your saturation and bump it up to about 30, and then you're going to want to take your blur and bump it down to about -30. So as you can see, that really sharpens up the image. If you think about it, these thumbnails are going to be seen very teeny tiny, so on a mobile device, whatever. So you want to make sure that they pop out. So let's go ahead and do that with the rest of these. Oh, look how pretty that looks. Yes, I did take this photo. I actually took it with my camera. Also took this photo of my dog because he's the cutest, even though he just peed in my room a little while ago. So the next thing I did was I added in this little square. We're gonna take him down a little bit, make him a little bit longer. Also gonna rotate him. So I think it looks really good when you have a little bit of like a background for your text. So in this case, you could either put your text in and kind of elongate it down this middle. I have a video like that where I did it. I think that looks fine. And then I also took the transparency down a little bit in it. I just think it looks kind of cool like that. All right, so you're gonna go over here to text, put your heading in, creating thumbnails. The font, my favorite font is this one right here. Obviously it's kind of tiny, so you have to make it a lot bigger. That's a way to make sure that your videos are kind of easily recognized if you're sticking with the same fonts. That just is one way to help make sure that people know it's you from a glance. Now, we are going to add in our little YouTube logo. Now, how you can add your own things in. So you see I have like music notes, subscribe, YouTube, more music notes, little emoji guys, Instagram and Twitter logos. On this website, you have to pay to get most of the things like that. So all you have to do, go over here to Google, type in, we'll just do the YouTube logo. Wow, I can spell. Like I did before. Go to images, and you want a transparent background. Now, not everyone that you download will be correct the first time. There were some times where I've downloaded it, it said it was a transparent background, and it was not. So all you do is just kind of trial and error. Pick which one you like, download it, right to your downloads, come back over to Canva, click upload image, and there it is. So now I can just, all right, cool. Now you just gotta shrink it down a little bit. Sorry I have to do this, there's just, everything's always in the way. And you can kind of give it a little twist, pull it up here if you'd like. And now creating thumbnails for YouTube, and you have their cool little logo. Something else you can do here is you can change this background color, which, yeah, I did that in the other one. Something like that, whatever color you like. You can go to that little pinwheel and, or this here, and kind of choose it. What? you know what I'm saying. So yeah, that is pretty much it. So Canva, you can really do a lot on here. And as you can see, I mean, I think this is a pretty good looking thumbnail. Not too bad. If I have to show more shirt off, I'm gonna change that, make it lighter. Another thing that I like to do as well is add borders. So adding a border is another way to make your thumbnails more noticeable as you. Now on Canva, you can't add borders, at least if you can, I haven't figured it out. So I just add these little lines, 4 of them, and just drag them around. Obviously make it whatever color you prefer. I am going to make it the pinkish purple color. If you upgrade on Canva, they will remember like things that you've used in the past. So like different colors of things, they'll remember the exact color that you've created. I, again, have the free version, so they don't save that information. So it'll remember it on the current project you're working on, but if I go and move to a new project, it won't remember any of the shades that I have chosen. So there you go, that's just another way to make your videos noticeable on the sidebar. If, you know, there's 3 of your videos and they all have the same border, people will know just even by looking at that, you know, this is one of yours. So then you're just gonna go up here on the top right to download, and that is it. You just download it, go right onto YouTube, and upload your thumbnail. I hope this video was helpful. If you guys are a new YouTuber or you're thinking about starting a YouTube channel and you found this video helpful, please go down there and give this video a like. Leave me a comment if you do go ahead and try Canva. Leave me a comment how you like it, what you thought, and if you thought that, you know, it really upgraded your thumbnails. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button. I put out a new video every Saturday with the occasional video every once in a while in between. So I will see you guys in the next video.